Little Red Riding Hood. Once in a quaint village nestled amidst verdant forests, there lived a sweet girl named Red Riding Hood. She was known for her vibrant red cape, which her grandmother had lovingly made for her. One sunny day, Red Riding Hood's mother called her over. "Sweetheart, please take this basket of goodies to your grandmother. She's feeling unwell, and these treats will surely lift her spirits," her mother said, handing her a basket filled with fruits, pastries, and a small jar of honey. Red Riding Hood happily agreed, donning her red cape and clutching the basket tightly. She set off on the forest path, humming a cheerful tune. However, little did she know that a cunning wolf had caught sight of her from the shadows. With a mischievous glint in his eye, he concocted a plan to deceive the innocent girl. The wolf swiftly made his way to the grandmother's house, reaching there before Red Riding Hood. He knocked on the door, and when the elderly lady opened it, the wolf cunningly imitated Red Riding Hood's voice. "Grandmother, it's me, Red Riding Hood. I've brought some goodies for you," he mimicked. Deceived by the wolf's ruse, the grandmother welcomed him inside. With no time to spare, the wolf hastily disguised himself by wearing the grandmother's nightcap and glasses, lying in wait for Red Riding Hood's arrival. When Red Riding Hood finally reached her grandmother's house, she felt uneasy. Something seemed off, but she shrugged off her apprehension and entered the cottage. "Grandmother, I've brought you some treats," Red Riding Hood cheerfully announced, oblivious to the wolf's deceitful disguise. "My, what big ears you have, Grandmother," Red Riding Hood remarked. "All the better to hear you with, my dear," the wolf replied, trying to sound like the grandmother. "Grandmother, what big eyes you have," she observed. "All the better to see you with, my dear," the wolf cunningly retorted. As Red Riding Hood drew closer, she realized that something was amiss. The wolf leaped from the bed, intending to devour her. However, just in the nick of time, a woodsman passing by heard the commotion and rushed in. The woodsman swiftly intervened, wielding his axe, and rescued Red Riding Hood and her grandmother. With a mighty swing, he defeated the wolf, saving them from harm. Red Riding Hood and her grandmother embraced each other in relief, grateful to the woodsman for his timely intervention. The story of Little Red Riding Hood serves as a cautionary tale about the perils of trusting strangers and the importance of being cautious, especially when wandering through unfamiliar places. It highlights the virtue of discernment and the significance of seeking help when in danger. The end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Teddy's Best Story Time. See you next time.